So we're going to install the camlock 2600 series. So as you see, the fastener is in the dust cover. Make sure the orientation is correct. So now we're going to put the locking ring on the fastener.
This one go like this?
Yep. And then he's just going to put the head of the fastener onto the anvil of the vise. You're going to center the locking ring. You're going to take the tool that we drive it with, flip it upside down. As you see, the one end of the tool is oval to go over the locking rings. And make sure you're over top of them. And you're just going to drive it down. You gotta make sure that's centered. Try it again. You gotta push down hard on it. There's a spring on there. Yep. Okay, stop. Oh.